This is a tank of the Third World War. It is going to participate. We will send it to the France border where Russia has occupied. See, actually, Russia has occupied Ukraine whole, then Germany, then France, Poland, Romania, and we have to liberate France from the clutches of Russia.